90% out. That would be your estimate.
Yeah.
About 90% out. After today's assessment. Heavy the snow. Lifting the speed.
This is new work. New work. Yeah, these are brand new. These are put up in the after the.
The poles are up.
Yeah. They put up in the pole in the desert contract.
Yeah. Richie, you have any? The bushmark, yeah, the bushmark.
Luxury. Before you reach the program.
Oh, you're not
I don't know if you want to.
So we walk around.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And that.
Sure, looking at all, nothing to us in Kingston.
Nothing.
Yeah, no, I did it. That's all right.
But you have passed.
I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know Must have been a harrowing experience.
Very, very. The most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God. God has been good to us.
So thank God for that. But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients would have paid. So thank you. I don't know if you have had an opportunity to see the rest of the film, but certainly you have heard.
Many of us don't know what is happening to our children, our parents, because we are here. We are here.
We just can't hear anything from them.
Exactly. I don't think none of us are competent enough to describe what happened. It is beyond imagining. We can't really imagine. At one point you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, there, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting Chief of Defense Staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that will feed into ADPEM. Hopefully by tomorrow we will have cleared the routes in to Black River because they are all blocked now. There's no traffic that can come in vehicular from outside. As I'm seeing, some of your transmission towers are down, so telecommunications will be affected. Of course, almost all of your electrical grid is down.
So this is the
No, that's what we're trying to do now. We're doing an assessment to see where we need to put what equipment to move. I know it's rough. I know it's rough for me, but you have to hold it out now. All right? You have to just hold it out. By tomorrow, however, roads will be open. That's what we're working on. That is something that we could.
Yeah, I can talk to the road bus service once we can get in people definitely.
Yeah. So you're not from here. Where are you from? Oh, yeah, Mount. Oh no, but definitely within the parish, yes, we can provide transportation. All right. Yes, within the parish we can do that. All right.
Can run some routes. Can't remember the buses won't be.
So it, But we are in touch. Yeah, that's what we're doing. All right.
Glad to see that, son.
History.
What's up?
Everything, sir. Everything.
Yes, I want to. What are they
So
coming?
you see all these go on here now. You have to talk to them and stuff.
Tree thump in a car, then this could have real. Could have? The place mash right up. Them here river off a road fling down in a gully. Could have? The people them must sweep mud out of the yard. The upstairs, the only who have upstairs could have go upstairs or they run go a neighbor yard. Go upstairs. Tree thump.
Going to catch now to see what's happening. How familiar with up there. So you know that church right at West Green roundabout. Yeah, that get fuck. Yeah, you can see. Down in our West Green there. The whole of last night, everywhere cover up last night on the water. Water just a go down, you know. The whole of this is full of water go up next to the river. You're good. Oh god, the water catching on wash. People them are clean out in them place now. Catching on get fucked. Catching on get fucked, brother. Catching all this in a people. Wash it. People them flood out over this. People them clean up them place now. The whole of the first floor them get fucked. Anybody from second up, alright, first floor always get fucked. This is worse than Gilbert. And mostly the first floor them still get flooded out on the kitchen side. So normally, cause I was living over here, so we kinda experience it already. So most of the first floor them always get checked. You know? Second and third floor always good. But the first floor them always get flooded over here. You know? Catching all side this paper, catching all. And then tie. Get fuck. Jaja. We're catching all on West Green. Get fuck. Jaja. Going to catching all to see what's happening.
There's a small in the storm.
Also a 9.5 in a Polia youth. RS crew now, blood clot, the mother carry wash your own. Bust turn over everything. Yeah, mother carry wash your own. So all I accept flood right out. Yo, need help. How many people them there with the help people? We don't see people who want to help people pass right. That's why whole place flat you. Yo, so it's
Guys, more wanna see this. I road when I look on it, say, you know, and Hurricane Melissa destroyed the road there. When me tell you, say destroy. Nothing no left. Jesus Christ, you know, come with me, me carry no go up there. You see, whole lot. The house over there, so I wanna look on. It full of water, the water dry up. But me want to show you up there, so by road. Jesus Christ. Me general, I know nothing normal, this me G. Eh?
This is normal.
I know nothing normal. Mind a drop me G. Boy, guys, a pea mud. There now I go on. There. Guys. I lie here there. Guys. Me I go show you what I go on. Me tell you, look here. I rode this, you know. And everything where you see run out of the road there, so come pack up, come pile up right here, so. Me I go show you what I go on, guys. You know, come with me. Man, me never seen nothing like this yet. Me never. Yo, yeah man. Guys, me never seen nothing like this yet from the day me born. Everything where you see here, so you wash come pile up right there, so you look. The whole of you so block off. No car can't pass this up. Wanna take a look? My God. Man. Family. My God. Guys. This. I know nothing normal. Listen me, man. Jesus Christ, guys. No, sir. Man, I never seen nothing like this yet. Never in my life. Brother, I water good on go dig out the whole of this, you know? Guys. My God.
Be a grave dip, you know.
Brother. No, sir. No, sir. Jesus Christ, guys, this ain't my community, you know. I know nothing normal. And guys, more wanna stick around for the next video then when me I go show you, because trust me, wanna have some scene for go see. It's not pretty, and me and my general them there on the road. And we are taking what go on, but trust me, when you hear me tell you. This. Yes, brother. And he move, see there? Jesus Christ. It's not pretty, see there? See me show you what go on there. Jesus, guys. Brother, this is a scene and a half, man. And guys, when you don't see nothing yet, I want to stick around for the next video. Because trust me, I have some scene for sure, you see. Jano. This is a history, man. This is a history, man. Brother Greg. I want you to tell me if you ever experienced nothing like this before. Man, look on the road, man. Eh? Brother, I'm there in my house last night and me a fret much as me under the kid.
Yeah, man. The next one I'm out of a hurricane.
Hear this?
A baby stand on that.
Jesus Christ. Jano. But yo, we gotta do some vlog, got you here?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Family, walk on. Boy, I deserve.
Yes, sir. We flappy place.
We are talking about Indian. Didn't
Indian the one you asked for.
get to the weed. Didn't make sense. Hey, what's up, mama? What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You look good. Where's supposed to that gun? See there? What's that stuff? Wicked district. Judgment. Judgment on earth.
You want like to tell time?
shop, them boy all there close. Gone. Alright. Bakery top gone. Yeah, me a sleep on where they are, so. Own house, so. Hey, the Parishes. Oh, that's a boy. Jaja. Thing. Shell down. I like blue canteen out there, so. Boys. Turn over. What TV them there, so. Trying them Subaru mash up. All the mother shop here. Tear up. Roof gone. All looter. I ain't no trouble nothing like this. I've been in. You see it? No man, you're good man, you're good. Teacher. Think you so tear up boy. Market Street. Shiny a big column right there so. You know a Chinese car. Front and time them. Oh like that so. Shell long boy. My country. I pray. The place a shell long. It's really rooftop gone. But I don't know when I get damaged. Yeah man. Yeah man. Tractor come clear up more side this morning. I thought clear up the hurries. Watch it.
Road to go on Maroon Town, you know? Here do. Roll like road, son.
Jack, this a gate there. The school gone. School gone. No sir. You know look good, you know look good. So stop your gun. All of them now stop your gun. Clean. What is school top over there so?
No, school dog.
From this house here. The girl who live in the house here, run, come on, yard, you know. And we have to drive into a breeze and blow him here. Yeah. So many I try, but so block.
some man who own the house here, own the house too. See there are 2 damage you do. You mash up this and you mash up in 2 story. What's that? 22 story like it, like kind of concrete. So this house mash up there, so. Yep. One house did this, so. Jesus, peace. Judgment. You know, look good, you know, look good, you know, look good. Look, man, you know, go down. Me know. No, I'm being good nowadays, brother. Different part, Where?
Look for that.
Oh God, right here, wicked here, says 60.
60
But the church mash down people. Church gone to eat dogs. I church the same people. Dogs. Watch out, this house I'm looking for the foundation. See the foundation on the side. You know, look good, you know, look good, you know, look good. Watch out, this house I'm flash down. Judgmental. Judgment.
Yes, people, Cox Street, Port Maria. Result of Hurricane Melissa.
No, dear, the roots are. Come on,
Did you sell all the power? Did you sell up?
No, when they
Floor up?
the new one. Then they know say what new one. No.